Okay, looking at question 11. For each quadratic relation, state the coordinate of the vertex, equation of the axis of symmetry, direction of the opening, and y-intercept. So I wrote down the equation. Of both of these items. And we'll just move this here. And what we have is, just as a review, this here is the amplitude or the stretch. This here moves the vertex in the horizontal direction. And this here moves the parabola up and down. And we know it's a parabola because it's in the square. It's squared. Okay, so how do we do this? Well, this moves. It says +1, but what's actually happening is it's moving the vertex, the basic one. Parabola basically goes like that. Okay. And 1, 1, 2. Oops, 1, 2, 3. Basically goes like that. And the step pattern goes 1, then it goes 3, then it goes 5. Essentially, that's the original. That's this version of the parabola. It's y equals x squared. Now, what this one does is it moves the vertex, this vertex, it moves it in the x direction to the negative side, even though it's positive. And this thing, -3, moves it down. 1, 2, 3. So the vertex, these two determine where the vertex is. Now what this does, so I already know the equation, the vertex is at point, let's write it down. The vertex is at point -1, -1, -3. So -1, -3. Oops, I seem to have run out of space. The axis of symmetry is essentially this thing, because it's symmetric. The axis of symmetry is essentially this line right here. And the axis is actually equal to x, it's called, whoops, why is it doing that? The axis is called, let's get rid of that, x equals -1. The direction, it opens upwards because it's positive here. If that's positive, it opens upwards, the direction, up. And the y-intercept, we'll deal with that in a second. But let's ungraph that. And basically, now my step pattern, generally, the step pattern is we go 1, then 3, and then the next one is 5. Well, the steps are by 2, so multiply it by 2. So 2, then 6, then 10. So we go 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And essentially, the parabola is a little bit stretched. And the y-intercept, oops, I started from the wrong spot. Apologies. Let's do that again. 1, 1, 2, it's over there. And then 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up in that direction. So that goes there, and that goes there, and it's symmetric. And that's the equation of the line. And the y-intercept, basically, the y-intercept is y equals 2 times, when x is 0, y int at x equals 0. So 0 plus 1 square minus 3, y equals 2 times 1 square minus 3, y equals 2 minus 3, y equals minus 1. And we see that the y-intercept is x is 0, y equals minus 1. And that's how we do